For gamers, a gaming TV should offer a smooth gaming experience with minimal lag, as it is to have the right controller, headset, and games. From display and sound performance to connectivity, the LG C2 and Samsung S95b offer them all. However, let's see which TV will give you the edge as you jump into all your favorite games.
Don't go, it's gonna be fun.
Display. Both TV sets have displays capable of HDR, which vastly improves the gaming experience for many players. However, the Samsung S95b features a curved 3840 x 2160 PUHE resolution display, which is ideal for gamers. This curved display allows for a more immersive gaming experience, as well as make pictures look sharper and brighter. Interestingly, the screen of the Samsung S95b may reach a brightness of over 1000 nits. And although the TV is not limited to low light conditions, you could miss a few details here and there in bright sunshine, especially in low light situations. Nonetheless, the picture quality is guaranteed by the very high brightness and the strong anti-reflective coating. Excellent for gaming. On the other hand, the LG C2 offers a flat 4K resolution display, which is also excellent for gaming. However, design limitations limit its ability to display HDR content with persistently bright areas. But otherwise, it competes with Samsung in terms of brightness, which is around 1000 nits. And although the LG C2 falls short, it excels because it is compatible with Dolby Vision for TV shows, movies, and video games. Even though having a great display can make a game more enjoyable for many players, the one way to really get into the action is through the sound. In the next minute, you'll see how the two TVs compare. Connectivity. When it comes to gaming TVs, connectivity is one of the most important aspects to consider. Both the LG C2 and the Samsung S95b TVs offer excellent connectivity options for gaming. Both TVs have HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, allowing you to connect your gaming console, PC, or other devices with ease.
That's very convenient.
In addition, both TVs support wireless streaming and 4K HDR gaming. The Samsung S95b offers additional connectivity options, such as a USB port and Bluetooth connectivity. This makes the Samsung S95b TV a great choice for those who want to connect external devices, as well as enjoy wireless streaming. Depending on your needs, either one could be an excellent choice. If you're looking for a TV with more advanced features and more connectivity options, then the Samsung S95b is the perfect choice.
This is a buy.
Subscribe to our channel to watch as we test out each TV's gaming capabilities and review the key features, audio quality, and picture quality. Audio. When it comes to TVs specifically designed for gaming, audio is one of the main areas to consider. After all, in order to fully experience the world in a game, players need to be able to hear every sound, from rumbles of engines in racing games to the chirps of birds in an open-world exploration. The LG C2 TV and the Samsung S95b TV offer great audio clarity and a balanced sound stage, with both TVs providing a clear, distortion-free sound. Thanks to Dolby Atmos, both TVs provide an immersive sound experience, with realistic audio that can take gaming to the next level. However, there are some differences in terms of the audio technology used by the two TVs. The LG C2 TV is capable of delivering high-resolution audio, while the Samsung S95b TV does not. In addition, the LG C2 TV offers more sound drivers than the Samsung S95b TV, providing more directional sound and better clarity. So which TV provides the best gaming experience? Although both TVs are excellent, there are noticeable performance disparities between them. Discover momentarily in this video which television is ideal for playing video games. Performance. Both TVs offer a smooth and responsive performance. The 120 Hz refresh rate on both TVs is great for gamers who enjoy playing first-person shooters, as the higher refresh rate reduces lag and makes the game feel more responsive. Additionally, the processor in both TVs allows for the smooth running of more intensive games. LG C2 TV offers an advantage to gamers in terms of improved graphics. The TV comes with an AI-enabled processor that automatically upgrades the visuals of any game that is played. This can range from sharper textures to improved lighting and better color saturation. This makes the LG C2 TV a great choice for gamers who want to get the most out of their gaming experience. The Samsung S95b TV is no slouch either when it comes to gaming. With a 4K resolution, the TV offers the best possible visuals. Additionally, the TV supports a range of HDR content, from games to movies, allowing gamers to experience the most realistic visuals possible. The TV also offers a full array backlight consisting of 8 zones, which offers realistic and vibrant colors. This makes the Samsung S95b TV a great choice for those looking for an immersive gaming experience. For a game, you don't need a teacher, Dija has said. In the end, though, it's hard to choose a winner because both TVs are top-notch and offer a fantastic experience for video gamers. However, with its advanced picture technology, low input latency and gaming mode, the Samsung S95b raises the bar higher and provides you with the ultimate gaming experience. We've highlighted 5 important things to consider that you may have overlooked when deciding between these two TVs, so check out our linked video for all the stunning details. That's it for today's Head On. Until next time, take care and stay connected.